Okay, so to replace the lid, the first thing we're going to do is open up the lid and engage the lid lock. Now what we're going to do is remove the Durlin pins, which are holding the lid onto the can. So it's actually this small black plastic piece that connects the two pieces together. So we just push with that with a screwdriver. You can pull it out the side. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Now that those are out, all we need to do is remove these 4 screws. Now that those are off, we can just simply remove the lid completely. Now to reattach the lid, we're just going to insert the screws back into these 4 holes. Make sure they're facing up in the correct direction. Now the last step is going to be to reinsert the Durlin pins. So you can grab your vertical rod from inside the can and just push it back up. You're just going to need to put it in the middle of the 2 circles on the lid and just push it through. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's actually easier if you have the lid lock engaged holding it in place. Then you can just push the new pin right through.